Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titignan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo. Energy update, September 1 to 15, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment para check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see Capricorn. Mercury messages. Marami kang messages na marireceive ngayong first half ng September. So, pwede itong sa business mo, maraming inquiries, maraming interesado sa business mo, or maraming interesado sa'yo, gustong makausap ka, gustong malaman ng update, nangyayari sa buhay mo. And Mercury is also the planet of learning. So, pwedeng meron kang mga pag-aaralan ngayong first half ng September. Gemini, cross-pollinate. Ang ruler ng Gemini ay Mercury. So, maaring ngayong September, mas lalabas ka. You will go out, meet new people, make new connections, new friendships. Lalo na kung ikaw ay nasa negosyo or you're someone na ang trabaho mo customer service na may nakakausap, no? So, you will be out there making connections. You also have Vesta, which is hearth, your passion. You have this burning passion. Na I think i-explore mo na ngayong first half ng September. Something na nag-excite sa'yo. Something that will bring so much change in your life. Parang parang ito yung something na wini-withheld mo. Wini-withhold. Basta ganun, parang pinipigilan mo. But I think ngayong first half ng September, hindi mo na siya mapipigilan. Gagawin mo na, i-express mo na. So pwede rin tong passion for someone, interest sa isang tao. Overall energy, 7 of Cups, a lot of options available sa'yo. Diba, the more options, the more na nahihirapan tayong pumili. What's best for us. Okay? Kaya ito yung time na kailangan very much connected ka sa instinct mo, sa intuition mo, sa higher self mo, para mag-guide ka kung saan, alin. Yung iba sa inyo, you are attracting romantic connections. Ayan, napapaano ko. Inaantok ba kayo, Capricorn? O ako lang yung inaantok? You are attracting romantic connections. Your challenge, 5 of Pentacles. Financial struggle for some of you. Kaya nga, you really have to maging maingat sa pag-handle ng finances nyo ngayong September, ngayong first half ng September, para hindi kayo kulangin. Kasi minsan, di ba, pag nagkakapera tayo, parang gusto natin ubusin. Tapos, kapag may kailangan ka na bilhin, pagkagastusan, wala ka na tuloy mailabas. And also, yung iba sa inyo rito, ang isa sa challenge ninyo, maaring merong hingi ng tulong sa inyo financially. So, hindi man kayo directly yung magkakaroon ng financial struggle, pwedeng isang person sa buhay nyo na connected sa inyo na hihingi ng assistance or tulong sa inyo. Your opportunity, the 2 of Swords. Opportunity to find a solution to an existing problem. Kailangan nyo lang talagang mag-decide kung gagawin nyo na. Kung magiging committed na ba kayo. Your blessing. The Lovers. Commitment. Diba? We're talking about commitment. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng, ang blessing nyo is yung relationship na meron kayo. Romantic man yan, family, friendship. But for some of you, this is a romantic relationship. So you are, kung kayo ay in a relationship, meron ditong merong someone na very supportive sa mga adhikain mo, sa mga gusto mong gawin. Yung iba naman sa inyo, in making a decision, you will decide what's best for you. More on decision making kayo ngayong first half ng September, Capricorn. In what area to? Third house, learning, messages din to connections. First house, about yourself. So, siguro meron ka rin mga changes na gagawin sa sarili mo, physical, or meron kang mga pag-aaralan, oo, or gusto mo pang i-explore, na kailangan mong mag-decide kung ready ka na. Okay? Money, career, finances, you have the Seven of Wands. You have the Son of Birds. Son of Birds. Son of Swords. Ano ba? Okay. Meron ditong, I feel like merong magbibigay sa'yo ng offer na tatanggihan mo because you feel na hindi ka in alignment doon or hindi ka pa ready. You have the Judgment card. Parang meron kang gustong baguhin sa situation mo, sa trabaho, sa career mo, na alam mong hindi mo na yun dine-deserve because you deserve better. So let's say for example, nasa toxic career ka, toxic job, toxic company, and itong tipong matatapos na yung contract mo, tapos i-renew ka. So, parang nisip mo, wag na, kasi hindi na worth it magstay doon. Hindi na worth it na i-renew kasi toxic na. You want something fresh. You want something new. So, merong rebirth dito. So, maaring you will not settle for anything less than what you deserve. Sa love life, talagang umaarangkada ang love life ng mga iba sa inyo na Capricorn. Yung ibang walang love life na Capricorn, okay lang yan. Diba? But if you are in a relationship, meron ditong passion. Very passionate. You have the Four of Swords. If you are not in a relationship, meron ditong healing. So, you are continuously healing, kaya hindi ka pa nakikipagrelasyon sa iba. You have the Nine of Cups, may fulfillment. Yung iba kasi, whether in a relationship kayo or not, masaya na kayo sa situation nyo Oo. Kung kayo single, parang bonus na lang sa inyo kung magkakaroon kayo ng relasyon. Pwede kasi you are in love with your life, with yourself. In love ka sa sarili mo, no? That is possible. So, ibig sabihin nun, maganda siya kasi mahal mo yung sarili mo. Kung mahal mo yung sarili mo, hindi mo kailangan ng ibang tao na magpuno ng pagmamahal na yan. Ang mangyayari dyan is you will share that love with others. So, hindi siya magiging toxic. Diba? Kasi usually pag ganyan, may kulang, no? Hinahanap mo sa iba. Tapos, pag hindi niya pala kayang ibigay yon, doon na pumapasok yung frustration, expectations, disappointments, diba? Oo. But, for some of you, you are happy on your own, whether you are in a relationship or not. You are continuously healing and loving yourself. Okay, let's see what else. Capricorn. Energy update. Okay. Climbing towards success. Wow. Unti-unti naaakyat nyo ang success, ang tagumpay. Diba? Happiness. May happiness. Keep your life in balance. So, ayun. Syempre, yung ibang mga Capricorn dyan, sobrang sipag. Magbigay ka rin ng oras at panahon sa sarili mo. You deserve it. Okay? Ako rin nagsasabi. You deserve mo. Deserve mo magpahinga. Deserve mong pumunta sa salon, magpa-ayos ng hair, pumunta sa, sa spa para magpamasahe, or kung ano-ano pa, para for your self-care and self-love. Okay? Take care or there will be a loss of material wealth. Diba? I feel like this is you taking care of yourself. Kasi kung hindi mo asikasuhin at aalagaan yung sarili mo, maraming pwedeng mangyari, like ma-stress ka, mawalan ka ng gana. So, possible na magkasakit, no? At kapag ikaw ay may sakit, hindi ka productive, no? So, maraming losses. You really have to take care of yourself. And also, when it comes to, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo sa finances ninyo, no? Be careful sa paggastos. Gumastos lang ng kailangan. Parang sabi nga do not spend more than what you earn. Okay? Para maganda lang ang flow ng kaperahan sa inyo. Rise above it. It's not yours to carry. You are an empath. How can you detach from the drama? O ayun. Iba sa inyo, iiwas kayo sa mga toxic na situation, whether sa trabaho yan, sa relationship, or connections with others. Kasi mabilis kayong maapektuhan. So you have to protect your energy. Okay? So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye.